To get started, first, press on the extension. We have many different functions in this extension. We will use extract videos. As you can see, we extracted the videos in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. As you can see, the more you scroll down, the more you extract. Now, once you're done, press Add to Export List. Alternatively, you can press the Auto function, which will auto-scroll for you and will add the data. Let's try it. Once you're satisfied with the amount you extracted, press Stop. Now, to export this, press on the extension. Then, press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to extract the comments of this video. So, let's press on it. Then, go to Comments. Press on the extension and press Extract Comments. Now, again, to export more, simply scroll down. Then, when you're done, press Add to Export List. Now, again, to export this, press on the extension. Then, press Export. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted.